Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you my latest project, a Isuzu Frontier 1999 model with a fully functioning engine. As you can see, this car is in rough shape. It's been a service catering company car, and it's going to take a lot of work to get it running again. But I'm up for the challenge, and I'm determined to restore this car to its former glory. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the car and show you some of the work I've done so far. I'll also take you for a ride and let you hear the engine in action. I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for more updates on my project car. Thanks for watching.